Marketing is a battlefield.
Specific examples that I've seen come across the way to acquire a customer now with customer acquisition costs and the way it used to be formulated. But now it seems that we've gone to a bribe economy. Uber will pay you $300 if you sign up. Lyft will give you 5 free rides. Fresh food place you can send a friend $60 worth of free food. And it seems it's all about getting the credit card now. And that customer cost of acquisition at $50, $60 now is built into the bribe, and it's just that upfront cost to get that credit card. Are you seeing that trajectory or trend as well, or am I off on that?
No, I think that trend has been going on since I've been in marketing. It's been going on forever, just incentives to get people to sign up.
It's the modern version of the CD club, right? Where you get 10 free CDs.
Yeah, Columbia. Yeah. And man, we used to game that in college. I won't go into specifics, but so for instance, back in '99, we had a company called Greens.com that was doing on tea time bookings, and again, .com boom, millions of investment capital, and they were giving away computer systems just to get golf courses to use their tea time online tea time booking system. Huh. And that was the .com boom days of giving stuff away. And similarly, Cosmo.com, it's like they would deliver stuff for free for the first X number of whatever. And there's a new version of that, I forget what it's called, that does delivery to offices and people. And again, they were giving so much away to try and gain market penetration. They saw it as part of their marketing budget. I don't think it's a very sustainable, it's a good strategy if you have the margins and you do it very smartly and carefully. I'm a big fan in gamification, rewarding people for helping you grow their brand, but at a profitable clip. If you look at Home Grocer or Peapod or those, like you said, they're new, more viable alternatives that are well beyond what was happening 15 years ago. But they were literally just giving it away. And honestly, Amazon is the best case study of having the world's longest runway to profitability. And there are quarters where they're not profitable. Right. But anybody can be a genius with 10 years of non-profitability. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Like getting 10 years to get something right. Most entrepreneurs crash and burn 90% because they don't have the runway. New businesses don't have enough cash. Doesn't mean they had a bad idea. They just didn't have the duration. So I think it's the gamification thing. The incentivizing, I've used Uber and Lyft, and, to say you'll get a free ride when you refer somebody, I've shouted it out and I've gotten a couple of free rides. That's worth it to me. Yep. It's not unprofitable for them if they can get me to keep using it. But, it just has to be done very, very carefully. So I think it's happening. It'll continue to happen. The better the economy, the more the investment capital, the more likely brands are to do that.